Hey y'all, so this is my lock moisture routine. I do this routine in the morning and at night, daily, or sometimes every other day depending on life, what's happening in my house. So I try to do it daily though, but I usually just go in with some rose water first. I go in pretty heavily and I aim mainly for my scalp, because my scalp is usually the most dry and I really don't like that. So I go mainly for my scalp. If you see me looking over, it's because my fiance is talking to me. He doesn't know that I'm filming at this moment, but anyways, so I put the rose water and then I kind of just massage it into my scalp, rub it in, make sure everything is covered. And then I go in with this growth oil that I got from the beauty supply. If you know about this growth oil. I love this stuff. It smells so good. It makes my locks feel so soft and moisturized. So I love this stuff. I actually just recently started using it again. So I'm really glad that I found it. So yeah, I go in with that. I usually just rub it in. I like to get my edges first, just because my locks are a little sensitive on my edges. I feel like every time I pull my hair up, they're really kind of tugging a little bit. So I try to get those to make sure they're nice and moisturized and they won't break the next time I put my hair up. But I do that, I rub it all in, and then I take it and I try to just get into my scalp, get it in there, and then I will massage it into my scalp. I give my scalp a nice little massage. It feels so good. I usually I close my eyes and really enjoy it. I take it in. So yeah, I love this part of my routine. Just feels so good. So after that, and you see this little piece right here, it's been breaking a little bit and it just doesn't want to integrate with my locks for some reason. I don't know what it is about that piece, but I don't know. I've tried everything. I've tried crocheting it. It wants to do its own thing, so whatever. But I am now still massaging my scalp. It is literally the best feeling in the world. So I do that for a little bit. I try to do it for at least maybe 60 seconds, maybe 2 minutes or whatever. And then I will go in. I'm trying to find my brush because my daughter moves things around. But I go in with my brush and I like to brush my locks, not every day, but I do it maybe every other day or maybe 2 or 3 days, just to get any lint out and to distribute the moisture in my locks. It also makes my locks feel super, super soft. This boar bristle brush is a really soft one. It's one of those barber ones. I don't know. My dad's a barber, so I call it a barber brush, but it is so nice. It's not too rough on my hair. It's really soft, so I like to just go in with that and brush my locks, brush my edges, brush the back. I like to get in the middle, and it also tames my frizz because I have a lot of frizz if I don't retwist my hair, and I haven't retwisted in I think it's been about a month or so. So my frizz is really crazy at this point, but we're embracing it. So I like to go in with a brush every couple days to kind of tame it a little bit. Yeah, so after that, I usually just put on a silk scarf at night before bed. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you back here for the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.